Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm present with the latest update of the XRP Ripple coin. What's the current price of XRP, what's the price changes occurs in the XRP. In this video I will show you friends, but before starting this interesting video I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Let's see the currently latest price of the XRP. You can see here 0.99641 USD dollar friends. So now they are very near to the 1 USD dollar friends. Once again the XRP Ripple coin are in the border of the 1 USD dollar friends. So very soon in the few days they can easily hit a 1 USD dollar friends. What do you think? What is your prediction, my friends? My prediction about XRP Ripple coin is 100% positive, because I believe that XRP Ripple coin will give us good amount of profit in the future. You can see here, if we talk about the price changes occurs in the XRP, so the last 1 hour price change is going positive, last 1 day price change is going also positive, and only the last 1 week price change is going negative. Except of these from the yesterday the price change goes positive and the XRP Ripple coin, same like that from yesterday the price change goes in the positive in the Cardano XRP Ripple coin. So they start moving upward in the start of new month friends. As you can see here, they start moving upward in the start of new month friends. So as you know, it is the end of month, so that is why falls down for the time, but after a falls they will again start jumping. So maybe my friends, there is a lot of possibilities, there is a lot of chances today take a jump in the start of June. You can see here now from the last of May they gradually start moving upward. So I hope that after in the start of June maybe there is a lot of chances to they take a jump in the future friends. What do you think, my friends? My prediction is going positive about XRP Ripple coin, because as I told you my friends that XRP Ripple coin will give you good amount of profit in the last of this month. So if you decide to sell, so that's good, but if you hold XRP Ripple coin, so absolutely you will get a good amount of profit from the XRP Ripple coin. And my personally prediction, my personally suggestion, recommendation for everyone is that it's time to hold, not to sell, because my technical analysis tell us that in the start of June there is a lot of chances to take a jump in the future friends. What do you think, my friends? Please also share your opinion and prediction in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.